Hey, welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good today. We are going to give you unbiased review on the web portal that is bckvz.com. So, if you are curious to know about like the people from United States are looking forward for the details and legitimacy of this website, let's stay with us and watch the video till the end because by the end we are going to share about the final detail like either this is a legit or a scam store. So let's check out the detail. This website has come up with the thought of letting people enjoy water games from the comfort of their home. They have various kind of inflatable water pools and tunnels which children as well as grown up can spend quality time together without the hassle of going out somewhere. This can also be considered as homemade water park where the whole family can enjoy themselves together. Let's check out the specification of this website. It was created on 16th January 2021. It is HTTPS secured website. They have different kinds of inflatable water park, cannons, slides and tunnels. The email address which they have mentioned is not matching the domain name, which is not a good sign. They have not mentioned any contact number and address on their official web page. The pros of the website are the site shows selling some cool water park slides and cannons. The website has various items like animal themed cannon for kids and normal cannons for grown-ups. The website provides very easy refund and return policy that 2 in 7 days. They use easy payment methods without any difficulty. Cons of the website are the email address provided on the website looks fake. There is no contact number provided on the official web page. There is no reviews present on the website and the trust score is very low, that is 2%. So as we are checking out the legitimacy of the website bckvz, so we are going to check it in depth. As far as customer reviews are concerned, we are unfortunate to find any genuine reviews. Its trust index score is too poor, that is 2%. Even Alexa ranking is not available on this website. The content seems to use the name of the popular company, which clearly shows that it is a fake website. So the website cannot be trusted for various reasons. The website has a very poor trust index, and it can also be seen that this website uses a very popular brand name that sells the same products that this website claims to sell. So people from United States may get cheated due to this reason. So we are recommending you to stay away from this website and do not try or think to buy anything from this store, so you may not lose your money by then. And if any one of you having any experience of shopping from this store, please do share your personal experience with us in the comment box. We love to hear from you, and please do share the video and do subscribe my YouTube channel. It will boost my spirit to bring such informative videos to you in future too.